Dr. Erin Murphy. I'm a professor of bacteriology and chair of the Biomedical Sciences Department at the College of Osteopathic Medicine. I am the lead of the Bacterial Pathogenesis Initiative of ITDI. I've been part of ITDI since I arrived at OU in 2008, so it's been a long time. My experience in ITDI has been very positive. In particular, it's introduced me to some colleagues who we've developed collaborations within our Bacterial Pathogenesis Initiative, for example. We have an active group of bacterial researchers, and we all work well together. We often meet with each other. We talk about our research. Our students know each other and interact. So it's been a nice platform to build those relationships. Yeah, my lab studies the response of pathogenic bacteria to host-associated environmental conditions, and we're looking specifically at how the bacteria modify the proteins that they're making, the genes that they're expressing in response to those human host-specific conditions like 37 degrees, for example. So we study how the bacteria senses its environment in the human body and responds accordingly. One of the major things we found out through our studies is that we were the first group to identify RNA thermometers in Shigella. So this is a mechanism of gene regulation in response to temperature that allows the bacteria to respond to the human body temperature. And while these regulatory elements had been seen in a couple other bacterial pathogens, we were the first to identify them in Shigella, and we're continuing to identify them. So Shigella actually has many thermometers that we're now beginning to identify, compare, and characterize further. I have students associated with me on all my projects. On the Shigella RNA thermometer project, I currently have one PhD student and an incoming master's student who are dedicated to that project. I'm really excited that OU and HCOM and ITDI are growing our focus on bacterial pathogenesis. We've welcomed a new colleague this year, Dr. Wang, and the fact that the group is growing and our collaborations are growing is a really exciting time right now.